Hello and welcome to my channel. Tactical Dad, my friend, gave me a Bundeswehr German Army Feldmesser, field knife, also known as the Kampfmesser. This was actually used in the German Army between, I think, 1967 and 2000. Then it was replaced by a different model. Now this one here has seen some good use. I also don't really think it's a military original. It's probably a civilian replica. The blade has suffered a lot, but it's still in okay shape. I just don't like, I never liked the shape of the blade. I mean, it's a utility knife really. That's why it's really not that pointy and stabby. It's a pretty thick blade, which is good for stability, but not so good for fighting. I want to convert this into a trench knife. Just the way how the soldiers did in World War I. Just hack off pieces that you don't need and make it more badass. Let me show you what I came up with. This is actually the blade shape that I have in mind. So I want to turn this into this. Yeah, I think it's possible. The printout is like the exact same size. So it's built to scale. Therefore, the idea is to just transfer that to this knife here. And then only use my very basic power tools. I don't have a band, I don't have a band grinder or something. So I don't have a belt grinder or something. I only have my hand tools. Basically, my Dremel, my Makita hand band file, power file, and my Makita angle grinder. Plus hand tools, of course. So the first thing I'm going to do is transfer this to a piece of wood so that I have some kind of a shape that I can then transfer onto the blade. Okay, and here is my new Bundeswehr trench knife. As you see, it has now a much more viciously shaped blade. And I also sharpened it so that it's ready for action. It's also a lot more stab friendly than it used to be, I think. Yes. A much sharper knife. Really cool. So of course a belt sander would do it some good. It would definitely increase the shininess of the blade and the structure of it too. But see, it now has a false edge that makes it really easy to stab with it. And it is very sharp, but still very sturdy because I did not really reduce the thickness of the back of the blade. It still fits beautifully in the original sheath, which is metal really, so this is nice. And of course, it is now, I think, much better looking than it used to be. What would you say? Is this an improvement or is it not? I think so. In any case, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.